Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are back with another follow along workout. So let's get started with your warm up. First up, we have backward arm circles. So move your arms in the backward direction for 10 repetitions. Next up, we have forward arm circles. Similarly, move your arms in the forward direction for 10 repetitions. Keep making big circles with your arms. Next warm up exercise we have is a cross arm. So focus on swinging your arms and expansion of your chest. Try to open up your rib cage and warm up your shoulders. Next up, we have diagonal cross arms. It is a similar movement. All you have to do is go into diagonal directions and focus on expansion of your chest. Try to open up your rib cage and warm up your shoulders. Give me 10 reps here as well. Next up, we have internal external rotation. It is a great exercise for targeting your shoulder joints as well as your rotator cuffs. So while performing this exercise, make sure you keep your arms close to your body, then open and close your arms like I'm doing right over here. Give me 10 reps and let's move on to our last warm up exercise. Last up, we have up down rotation, another rotator cuff exercise which targets your shoulder joints. It is a great exercise for warming up your shoulders before we get into the real workout. Give me 10 reps over here too. तो चलिए बढ़ते हैं हमारे वर्कआउट की तरफ। तो आज हम लगाने वाले हैं 3 एक्सरसाइजेस का एक सर्किट। सो हमारी पहली एक्सरसाइज है केटल बेल स्विंग्स। अगर आपके पास केटल बेल नहीं है तो आप केटल बेल की जगह एक डंबल भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं। सो वी कैन परफॉर्म 15 रेपिटेशंस ऑफ केटल बेल स्विंग्स। दो चीज़ों का आपको ध्यान रखना है, एक तो आपकी बैक कम्प्लीटली स्ट्रेट रहेगी और केटल बेल को आपको अपनी आई लेवल तक उठाना है। Keep swinging the kettlebell for 15 repetitions. So let's move on to our movement number 2. हमारा आज का movement number 2 है kettlebell squats. अगर आपके पास kettlebell नहीं है तो आप dumbbell भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. So hold your dumbbell or your kettlebell to your chest and perform your squat. एक proper squat लगाने के लिए दो चीज़ों का ध्यान रखें, एक तो आपकी बैक completely straight रहे, दूसरा आपकी knees आपके toes की लाइन के अंदर रहे. So you have to perform 12 repetitions of your kettlebell squats. After performing 12 repetitions of your kettlebell squat, let's move on to the exercise number 3 of this circuit, which is a single arm press. So आपको करना क्या है, आपको एक साइड से overhead shoulder press लगाना है with your kettlebell or with your dumbbell if you do not have a kettlebell. Once you perform one repetition from your one side, move on to the other side and keep on doing it. Once you're done with your 6th repetition, repeat the circuit from exercise number 1, which is your kettlebell swings. Now repeat the circuit 2 more times for a complete workout. I hope आपको आज का वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.